Let's take a moment. We're going to enter the silence together, the silence inside our heart. And we're going to focus on that attitude of gratitude. It's easy to be grateful so many times. Maybe as you allow your body to relax, and as you close your eyes, maybe it will be easy for you to imagine someone for whom you are truly grateful. There's a father and a mother, a grandmother, a grandfather, a teacher, a coach, someone in your life in the past who has been that person for you. I want you to imagine them in your mind. And as you do, send them the energy of gratitude in your mind with your heart. Speak to their heart and say, I'm so grateful for you. And there may be many people that come to your mind. The more, the better. Let them come to your mind. And with each one that arises in your mind, send them that energy of gratitude. Send them that little bit of thanks. So grateful for you. Now, in our lives, sometimes there are situations that are difficult. There are obstacles. We can be grateful for those too. Because each difficulty is an opportunity to share love. So if there's someone in your life who's difficult, that you have a difficult relationship with, see them also in your mind and speak from your heart to their heart and tell them that you are grateful for them. You are grateful for the lessons of love, grateful for the lessons of patience, grateful for the Christ consciousness in them. We will practice that attitude of gratitude. And let's enter a few moments together of silence. And as we breathe in, let our hearts continuously feel that gratitude. I am truly grateful for each and every one of you. And so it is.